Today I'm in Orlando East, right here in Soweto, and I'm meeting with William Ledwaba, who's the founder of Ledwaba X-clusive Auto. Now, what this panel beating shop is all about is putting petrol heads back on the road with ease and style. Come with me. Sorry, Poteza. Hey. Bro Willie.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about your business and how it started.
Ledwaba X-clusive Auto is a panel beating and spray painting business that basically started informally in 2001. We were operating from our yard in Diplom Zone 2, where I was basically born. And I then went out and sought employment in a formal space of the automotive industry, and I got employment at Hillbank Motor Corporation, where I started working there. We were doing stripping parts from the vehicles, salvage vehicles, stripping parts from the salvage vehicle and selling them for second-hand parts. And then later on, I got a enterprise development program that was run by Transform Auto Body in 2009, when I have then moved my operations from home to my house in Orlando East in 2008.
Okay.
Then Transform Auto Body actually taught me how to run this business formally. And then in 2012, we then moved to this property, which is owned by my brother, Jack Ledwaba. We then started working on this building. It was a dilapidated building. We started working on it steadily but surely up until it got to where it is today.
And why did you choose to set up here in Orlando East instead of going out to the city all the time?
Look, it's a bit political because when I moved from Transform Auto Body, I got an opportunity from a doctor shop program that was run by Alexandra Forbes. They wanted to assist me to build my business, but I then said, if you're going to assist me, why don't you assist me build my business in the township? Yeah. They then said, no, there is no business in the township, there is high risk in the township, and people will never bring their vehicles when you work in a township. Then I said, no, I would then opt out of this opportunity because I want to be assisted in the township, because I believe in the township. I come from the township. Yeah. The employment that I must create must be in the township.
Right. I'd like to see how you run your operations. Let's see.
Okay, you can go start the reception. So smooth, this is our reception. This is where we receive our people. This is our storeroom. This is where we keep our parts and our consumables. And this is where the magic happens, our workshop. We do preparation in the site and spray painting in the oven. Okay, smooth. This is a Renault Clio. We're getting ready for paint now. Okay. As it's in here, we're going to warm up the temperature, get it to the right temperature, and then start doing the spray painting. And once it's done, we leave it in here to bake. Then later on, we can take it out and do polishing.
Ah,
yes, sir.
One-stop shop, huh?
Yes.
And then what are the disadvantages of being set up here in the township?
One, stereotype, and which affects a lot of understanding about the industry. People believe that when you are in a township, you provide poor quality, you don't have good facility, you don't have an understanding of the industry. But unfortunately, the real challenges that we are facing in the industry are basically your space. One, if you can look at our operations now and look at the cars that are outside there, we don't have enough space here to work on these cars formally. We don't have industrial space, of which that was political. When Soweto was built for just labor camps. It was not a place where industries could develop, where industries could start. So they never gave us an opportunity to build industry space. Then we took the small spaces, converted into an industrial space.
And what about the advantages?
Advantages is that Soweto is growing, it's fast growing, townships are growing. If you're talking about economic development, who is developing? The previous white people who ran the county previously, pre-1994, have already established themselves. They are already developed. And when we're talking about development, we're talking about black people. And where are the black people? The majority of the black people are in the townships. So when we say the economy is growing, it means the black people are growing within the townships. If you look at black people that stay in the suburbs, they stay in the cities. For entertainment, they come to townships. That's where we start pulling the market. They drive nice cars like your Audi A5 here, that VW Combi there, you look at that Mercedes there, they come from the suburb areas.
And since you are based corner like us, how have the locals received you?
They are very appreciating of our services, because previously they had to drive all the way to the cities to get their vehicle repairs. And you must understand also the time frame. We also we work 24 hours here. We work from Monday to Saturday, 24 hours. We are closed on Sunday. So the turnaround time is quicker. So they are more happy with our services, because if you take your vehicle now for a bumper bashing in town, you'll have to wait for at least a week or two. But here we do it within a day and your car is ready.
That's amazing.
Yes, so they are very pleased with our service.
What is the future of your business?
What happened is that between us and the guys at Bosch, we decided to build a group of businesses like your Imperial Auto. So we have already named it, it's a flat group, FLET. We will be doing almost all types of services, from your auto body repairs, mechanical, upholstery, windscreens, and we also do dealerships. We'll also be selling cars. So we're opening up these branches so that we can be able to have our own group of businesses.
William's story is one that proves the old age saying that says, never despise the days of small beginnings. I mean, not only did he build his business from the backyard of his mother's house to the successful business that it is today, but he's even branching out to having a group of successful businesses. I say big ups to you, William, and Godspeed, brother. Wow.